Capital letters and small letters.
Capital A, small a. A is for airplane. Capital B, small b. B is for bat. Capital C, small c. C is for cat. Capital D, small d. D is for donut. Capital E, small e. E is for eye. Capital F, small f. F is for flower. Capital G, small g. G is for garden. Capital H, small h. H is for house. Capital I, small I. I is for instrument. Capital J, small j. J is for jacket. Capital K, small k. K is for kite. Capital L, small l. L is for lion. Capital M, small m. M is for moon. Capital N, small n. N is for nest. Capital O, small o. O is for ornament. Capital P, small p. P is for pencil. Capital Q, small q. Q is for question. Capital R, small r. R is for robot. Capital S, small s. S is for star. Capital T, small t. T is for tree. Capital U, small u. U is for uniform. Capital V, small v. V is for vegetable. Capital W, small w. W is for water. Capital X, small x. X is for xylophone. Capital Y, small y. Y is for yellow. Capital Z, small z. Z is for zoo.